Ken, did you have a question?
Yeah, just real quick. In these Adobe walled homes, are those frequencies actually penetrating the Adobe?
How thick is the wall?
16 inches.
16
You got really
inches.
thick walls. What actually tends to happen is it comes through the windows. So most of these windows probably transmit radio frequencies very easily. And what actually happened when they started putting coatings on windows, you saw all these mirror windows that you see around. When they first started making them, they actually realized that when they built a building and they put all these mirror windows in it, they created a Faraday cage. And people would start working in these buildings and would find that they couldn't make phone calls or receive phone calls on the cell phone. So obviously it was a problem for business. So all the codings got changed for radio frequency transmission codings. And the radio frequencies come straight through the modern windows. In fact, it's virtually hard, from what I can tell, to actually buy a window, a commercial window that blocks radio frequency. They're actually all made to transmit radio frequency.
Steve, I just have one point. I think our walls are more porous than that because there's a lot of concrete, which may be more porous than the Adobe brick itself.
Yeah.
I became very sick in my home when there was a Wi-Fi system installed next door to me.
Is the wall the same thickness between the
I
homes?
think so, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It seemed to me that, Stephen, when you came into our home, everything dropped off.
Mhm.
So the walls, you said, were protecting
Yeah, I
the
mean,
inside.
basically what we're talking about is attenuation. So that's the word for it in the electronics industry and the wireless industry, is that, the walls are attenuators,
Right.
and all walls are attenuators.
Okay.
And how much they attenuate the signal is dependent on what the construction of the wall is. So if you've got a lot of metal rebar in there, it may absorb the signal very well. Thickness is a big factor, and density of the material is a big factor. So you've got very dense walls. So you're not going to get the electromagnetic shielding properties of oil or metal with these walls, but they're going to be transmissive, maybe in the 10 to 50% range. So you're not going to get 100% blocking with these walls. So signals are going to come through them, they're just not going to go as far as they would through a piece of drywall.